4 for sure?
Yeah, 4.
Okay,
Hala.
well, she might still.
So
Like
guys,
I seen
hi
blood
guys. We're checking today our
on the straw.
baby rabbit.
See that? There's some blood right there.
Okay.
See it?
Yeah. Not
Very
yet
back corner.
Okay. So it's over here, guys. The babies. So, hi guys. Hindi ako sa gawas today. Yung anak na.
Yeah,
Hi.
you don't want to bring that. She don't
Hi.
care about that nesting box.
Hi. Hi.
She don't care about that nesting box.
So guys, let's check.
Hey honey, it was.
Okay guys, for today's video, let's check our rabbit. Our rabbit today is pregnant, okay? So that's our rabbit, guys. As you can see, yeah, that's our rabbit today. It's over here. I show you guys. Wait. Okay guys, so that's our rabbit today, and then she's pregnant, but we think she's getting ready to give some. Oh my god, baby, look at this, guys. That's her hair. Once the rabbit ready to lay or born some baby rabbits, this is how we did it, guys. A lot of hair. They remove a lot of hair. So they remove a lot of hair, guys. As you can see, that's all hair. Yep, that's her. Hi Sky, are you ready? What time you go, baby? Huh? Sky is pregnant. Then I'll show you in here, guys. Not that bad. What are you're doing something in here?
No, I got a nostril open and nesting box, so I can't do anything. She didn't eat any food that I gave her either. Well, I thought you were gonna have the babies up here.
She don't
But
want it.
instead, you are perfect over there. I'll take this out, huh?
No, don't.
I'm
Just
not gonna. But after she has her babies, I am.
so let's open this, guys. Look what she did in here. Over here, look at that. Yep, she's making a nest in here, guys. As you can see, she is. Oh, look at that. She's making a nest.
Nice guy.
Sky is making a nest. So the baby rabbit is came out.
Nice and
So
comfortable.
Sky is here, as you can see. Yeah, she got box that we build, but I think she don't want over there, so it's over here.
I can't believe she took every bit of that straw and moved it all.
Yeah, look at that, guys. A lot of hair now. Hey. Okay, guys. So that's the
Nesting box.
nesting box that
Perfect over her.
she built. Look at that. I think she want over here.
Yep, I think
So-
that's where she wants to have her baby chicken.
Wait. So guys, let's go here. Let's go over here. We got Whitey in here. Yeah, Whitey is a father. Yep, that's Whitey. Hi Whitey. Hi Whitey. Hi. Hi Whitey. So that's Whitey, guys. And yeah, it's Whitey. Hi Whitey. Hi. Okay, so Whitey is big now. As you can see my old videos, Whitey is it's like a baby, and now he's a huge now. He's a papa now. You're papa now, Whitey. Ay! You're excited? Hi, you're excited become papa? Are you? Hi. Whitey. Yan na siya, guys. Dito yun si Sky. We put Sky in here, guys. And then this one is the G feeder in here. Is supposed to. Then we transfer inside. Yeah, because it's a little bit colder right now. Hi. Isus. Shoot him. Whitey, dali.
Huh?
Nothing. Whitey is licking.
No.
Hi, Whitey. So, guys, that's it for today. Bye. Hi. Hi, Sky. Ni hold me, Nay. In here?
Yeah, pull it off. Because they were trying to... I covered it back up.
Oh.
I don't know how he's in there. I only seen 4, but it could be wrong.
Five.
5?
Ay.
I can't tell.
1,
You should be able to.
2. Ay, yeah, hold it on.
Keep moving, honey, because they could be over there. Good job, Mama. Good job. Nobody's going to hurt
Guys,
your babies.
na, Vivi, guys. It's in here. Hala, it's 4. Mana, ni.
That's what I thought, 4.
Mm.
All dark, aren't they?
Yeah, all dark bitaw.
Yeah. Are you
Hala,
sure they're
no.
4?
Yeah.
I can't see.
Yeah, it's 4.
Okay.
Hala.
Can you move this hair out of the way so I can try to
I
see?
see. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I see this big one over here.
Mm.
Uncover even more, honey, because they could be packed in.
Yeah,
there.
in here pa. There's nothing naman. Oh, there's nothing naman.
4 for sure?
Yeah, 4. Hala.
Okay, well, she might still be having some.
Oh,
Good job, Mama.
so, i-cover na nato guys. Kay it's kinda cold today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, Mama.
Ni-hold mo na
I
eh.
got you. Just step out. They don't go anywhere.
Thank you, Sky.
Good
Hello,
job,
good white
Sky.
Sky.
Doesn't mean she's done yet, honey.
So, guys, they got 4, but we don't know yet if they got still babies.
Yeah.
And look at our chicken over here. Hello. Hi.
I came out a little early,
So,
sir.
ayan na yung mga chicken namin, guys. Matutulog na yan sila. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. So,
Okay,
that's it,
hang on.
guys.
It says PM. It's
Yeah,
going off
PM
at
is dark.
6.
AM is white.
Yeah, I know, but it's still daylight at 6.
Mm. So, guys, ayan na sila. Good night, ladies. Yeah, I thought also.
Thought we were going to get like 7 or 8.